In this JEE advanced question, these digits are given in the question. By using only these digits, 5-digit numbers are formed, and all such 5-digit numbers formed are present in a set X. A number is randomly chosen from set X, and it is found that chosen number is divisible by 5. We have to find the probability that chosen number is divisible by 20 when it is given that it is divisible by 5. We will form 5-digit number divisible by 5. If we write 0 at the end, then number will be divisible by 5. Number of ways to fill this last place is 1. And when we write 0 here, then remaining digits are 1, 2, 4. Out of these remaining digits, we can select any 4 digits in following ways. In these ways. And when we arrange this, any selection, suppose we arrange this can be arranged in this way: 1, 2, 2, 2, and here is 0. Then this is a 5-digit number divisible by 5. This selection can be arranged in this way: 2, 1, 2, 2, and at the end it is 0. 2, 2, 1, 2, 0. 2, 2, 2, 1, 0. That means these 4 integers can be arranged in 4 different ways, and when we write any arrangement in these 4 places, we get a number divisible by 5. Similarly, we will have to arrange these integers. We will have to find number of arrangement when integers are these, and so on. To find the number of arrangement, we need to know some formula. Therefore, first we learn some formula, and by using them, we will write number of arrangement of each selection. Here is 4 different letters. These 4 letters can be arranged in factorial 4 ways, and factorial n is equal to 1 times, 2 times, 3 times, up to n. Therefore, factorial 4 will be equal to 1 times, 2 times, 3 times 4, that is equal to 24. Here is all different integers. These different things, 5 different things can be arranged in factorial 5 ways, that is equal to 1 times, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, that is equal to 120 ways. Here is 4 letters, out of which these 3 A are identical. These 4 letters can be arranged in factorial 4, number of all things divided by number of identical things, that is equal to 1 times, 2 times, 3 times, 4 divided by 1 times, 2 times, 3. This and this will be cancelled out, that is equal to 4. Here is 4 letters. 2 A's are identical, 2 B's are identical. These 4 letters can be arranged in number of all things, factorial 4, divided by number of identical things, that is equal to 1 times, 2 times, 3 times, 4 divided by 1 times 2 times 1 times 2, that is equal to 6. Here is 5 integers, out of which these 2 integers are identical. Therefore, number of arrangement will be equal to factorial 5 by factorial 2, that is equal to 1 times, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 divided by 1 times 2, that is equal to 60. Here is 5 integers, out of which these 3 are identical, these 2 are identical. Therefore, number of arrangement will be factorial 5 divided by factorial 3, factorial 2, that is equal to 4 times 5 by 2, that is equal to 10. Here is 5 integers, out of which these 2 are identical, these 2 are identical. Therefore, number of arrangement will be factorial 5 by factorial 2 factorial 2, that is equal to 3 times 4 times 5 by 1 times 2, that is equal to 30. By using formula, these 4 digits can be arranged in 4 ways. These 4 digits can be arranged in factorial 4 by factorial 2, that is equal to 12 way. And in this way, each selection can be arranged in these ways. When we add all of these, we get 38. That means number of arrangement of 4 digits taking from these given digits are 38. Therefore, number of 5 digit numbers that are divisible by 5 is 38. Now, we want to find the number of 5 digit numbers that are divisible by 5 and 20 both. If 0 occur at last place, then number will be divisible by 5, and number of ways to fill this place is 1. Number will be also divisible by 20 if 2, either 2 or 4 comes at this second last place. Suppose first we put 2 at second last place, then number of ways to fill up this second last place is 1, and there is left 3 vacant places, and integers left when we write 0 here and 1 2 here, then integers left are 1 2 2 4 4. Out of these integers, 3 integers for these 3 vacant places can be selected in these many ways. This selection can be arranged in factorial 3 by factorial 2, that is equal to 3 ways. Similarly, this selection of integers can be arranged in 6 ways. Here all integers are different, therefore number of arrangement will be factorial 3, that is equal to 6. Similarly, when we write number of arrangement for each selection, we get this. Adding all these, we get 18. That means there are 18 number that are divisible by 5 and 20 both, and in each number 2 occur at second last place. This type of number is 18. Now we want to know the number of such numbers in which 0 occur at last place and 4 occur at second last place. This place can be filled in one way. This place can be filled in one way. When 1 4 is written here, 0 is written here, then remaining digits are 1 2 2 2 4. Out of these digits, selection of 3 digits can be made in these different ways. This selection can be arranged in 3 ways. This selection can be arranged in 6 ways. This selection can be arranged in 1 way, and similarly this selection can be arranged in 3 ways. Adding all of these, we get 13. That means there are 13 numbers in which 0 occur at last place and 4 occur at second last place. Therefore, number of 5-digit numbers that are divisible by 5 and 20 both will be equal to 31. In the question, it is given that P is the probability of chosen number to be divisible by 20 when it is divisible by 5. But probability of chosen number to be divisible by 20 when it is divisible by 5 will be equal to number of such numbers that are divisible by 20 and 5 both divided by number of numbers which are divisible by 5. That is equal to 31 by 38. P is equal to 31 by 38. Shifting this 38 on the left hand side, we get 38p is equal to 31. Therefore, answer of this question is 31.